Can you eat fish swim bladder, and is it safe? You might be surprised to learn that this unusual part of the fish is actually a prized delicacy in some cultures, packed with unique texture and nutrition. The swim bladder is a unique organ inside many fish species that allows them to regulate their buoyancy and stay at different depths without effort. In culinary terms, it's often called fish maw and is highly valued for its chewy texture and ability to absorb flavors. This organ is mostly collagen, making it a popular ingredient in soups and stews, especially in Chinese cuisine. So yes, it's definitely edible and safe when prepared correctly. Beyond texture, fish swim bladders offer nutritional benefits. They are rich in collagen, a protein that supports healthy skin, joints, and connective tissues. They are also low in fat and calories, making them a lean source of protein. Many traditional diets prize fish maw for these benefits, believing it promotes vitality and healing. However, the exact nutritional content can vary depending on the fish species and preparation method. Safety is key when eating any fish part, including the swim bladder. When properly cleaned and cooked, it is safe to eat and enjoyed by many worldwide. However, because swim bladders are internal organs, they can accumulate toxins or pollutants if the fish is from contaminated waters. It's best to source swim bladders from reputable suppliers and avoid fish from polluted areas. Cooking thoroughly also reduces any risk of bacteria or parasites. Culinary enthusiasts prize fish swim bladders for their unique texture, soft but slightly chewy, and their ability to soak up flavors. In Chinese cuisine, fish maw is considered a luxurious ingredient often simmered in broths or stewed with mushrooms and herbs. It can also be dried and rehydrated, extending its shelf life. Beyond Asia, some European cuisines use swim bladders for gelatin-like dishes. So if you're adventurous, the swim bladder offers a fascinating cooking experience with delicious results. So can you eat fish swim bladder, and is it safe? Yes, it's an edible, nutritious, and safe delicacy when sourced and prepared correctly. Its unique texture and health benefits make it a prized ingredient worldwide. If you learned something surprising today, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.